welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria and I am on an egg fast right now. It is day 4 of my egg fast and I'm still going. I'm just looking at other recipes that aren't your standard eggs, as in scrambled, boiled, fried. I don't want to have so many of those kind of eggs because I'm just so used to it. So I've been looking around and I found another recipe that is suitable for an egg fast. So I will be sharing that recipe with you guys today and hopefully you give it a try. It's very, very delicious. It's not what you expect. So I will leave the ingredients and the directions on how to make this recipe down in the description. Go ahead and check the description out if you want to use it as a guide for future reference. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and like this video, subscribe down below, and turn on those post notifications so you can be notified when I post a new video, which is Monday through Friday. Now let's get straight into this video. Okay, so all you need is 3 eggs. Mix that together. And then what you want to do is add any seasonings you like. I'm going to add specific seasonings to this, but you can add anything you'd like just so it tastes more like a pizza. Most people will use Italian seasonings, but I don't, so I'm just going to use my own seasonings. Feel free to use your own seasonings as well. And I don't measure, I just kind of guess how much I want inside. So I have some onion powder, just a little. A tiny bit of garlic powder. Tiny bit of oregano. And what you want to do again is mix together, and we're going to put it on a frying pan and I'll show you guys what you need to do at that time. Okay, so I got that set up to high heat. What I'm going to do is pour this mixture in, and that is going to act like the crust of the pizza. And then go ahead and cover it. And now that that's fully cooked through, you want to go ahead and add your cheese. what's really super good about this recipe is it does not take long to make at all. Right now it's just finishing up and I will show you guys the end product. Super simple and easy recipe, and it's great for an egg fast or anytime. You can actually make this as your pizza. This crust is a lot more easier to make than fathead dough, so go ahead and give this one a try if you want a super easy crust that you can just throw together in a few seconds. That is the finished product. You can go ahead and drizzle some olive oil on top. Some oregano. Some chili flakes. And that is the finished product. Look at that, guys. Look how beautiful that is. You can go ahead and top it with any seasonings you'd like, but look at that. I hope you guys go ahead and give this recipe a try. It's super delicious and it fits right into my egg fast. So if you're on an egg fast or you just want to try this recipe, go ahead and try it. Let me know down in the comments how this recipe turned out for you. It turned out very good for me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Go ahead and give this video a like if you did. Comment down below when you try this recipe. It's super good. If you do want to try it, go ahead and try it. It's not just for an egg fast. It's good anytime. Like I said, it's good like the fathead dough, except it's not that much work. All you have to do is, like I said, just three eggs. That's it. 3 eggs and cheese. So it's a very good and simple, easy recipe. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Anyways, I'll see you guys soon with a new video. Bye guys.